Hi, so today I'm going to show you my new dimmable LED flush mount ceiling light that's 12 by 12 square inches. The instructions have a simple 4-step guide that will definitely show you how to install. It does come with all the hardware needed, and of course it does come with a remote control, which is pretty awesome. More about that later. So on step 1, you want to remove the LED ceiling light base as such. Step 2, you're going to connect this power cord to your house wires. You don't need wire nuts because it does come with these plug and play clips, but of course you could use your standard wire nut. Step 3, you're going to install the base with the hardware included. Last step, number 4, you're going to clip the light fixture into the bracket and you are done. And of course, the neat feature about this lamp is you can control the color temperature between 3000K and 6500K, and also the light brightness between 10% and 100%. Of course, an additional neat feature is it does come with this remote where you could turn on and off the light, and you can increase the light brightness, also the color temperature adjustment. Does have a mode button. You can reduce the brightness, of course. It does have a semi-bright mode and also a nightlight mode, and of course it does have a turn off timer, which is pretty awesome. And of course, if you are looking for a dimmable LED flush mount, I highly recommend this one. It is super sharp, super crisp, and it does come with a remote control that allows you to control this light from anywhere in the house. Thank you.